Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. I post new videos every Wednesday and Sunday at 8 p.m. on anything car related, truck related, and automotive help. And if you're wondering on the mods I've done to this truck itself, there's a link in the description for every single thing I've done to the truck. I do document every single thing I do to the truck so far, so if you want to take a look at that, I do have a playlist starting from scratch, from when I got the truck to where we are now, and you can actually just binge watch the whole thing and see all the things I've done to it. Today's topic is going to be the top truck styles for you. There's a lot of different tastes out there, and when you get your truck, there's a lot of crazy builds that go on. Some people like it more moderate, some people like it extreme, SEMA. So there's going to be three that come to my opinion for the best trend, the best styles for you. So the first one we're going to talk about is the leveling kit. Now the 2-inch leveling kit, or the 2 1/4 inch leveling kit, is one of the most moderate ways that you can add some style to your truck. So for example, let's say you just get your truck, you don't want anything crazy flashy, you just want a leveling kit. Now what the leveling kit is going to do, so your truck comes like this from the factory, where it has a nice rake to it, because when you put load on the back, it's going to level it out. But if you don't, obviously you're not hauling all the time, so if you do want the truck to sit level, you would put a 2-inch leveling, like a little hockey puck in the front, so it would go from this and you level it out 2 inches, so the truck will actually be level with the ground, and it gives it a nice look. You can add a little bit bigger tire on it, a little bit bigger rim. It's a nice way to not break the bank when you want to go ahead and, I guess, lift the truck in the front, and it's a nice even level in the front, so it doesn't look too over the top, like you're trying too hard, but you just want it to look a little bit better. You can get a 2-inch level, or a 2 1/4, or a 2 1/2. Anything over that, you'll have to actually get some lifted struts and go with the actual lift kit. But this is the first one that people do. It's a great trend. It's a great style for most people. Most people are not looking for something lifted that's super tall and stuff like that. They just want something that looks nice. So getting the leveling kit and then maybe putting some 33-inch tires or 34-inch tires is a great choice. All right, so number 2 we're going to talk about on the best styles for you is going to be a 4-inch lift kit, 3 1/2 to 4-inch lift kit. This is a moderate lift kit. You can definitely do 20 by 10s on 35s with a little bit of trimming here and there. Maybe you can get away with 20 by 12s, but you have to go probably with a 34 or a 33 if you want to do that. This is actually for the guys that are looking for a little bit of lift, but not too over the top. They just want it a little bit taller, a little bit more stanced, and it's actually a great lift. A lot of people do like a 4-inch BDS or a 4-inch rough country lift, and I think it looks cool. It's a little, I mean, if I'm going to do a lift kit, I'm going to go with a little bit of a taller lift kit, but some people just don't want that 6-inch, 8-inch lift, so they just want maybe a 4-inch, 3-inch, and I know Ready Lift and BDS make a great 3 1/2-inch to 4-inch lift. So this is for the guys that are not looking for the level, but they want a little bit more stance, a little bit more height. So instead of doing the little level hockey puck in the front, they actually go and get a full lifted strut in the front that's raises it up at 3 inches, and maybe another block in the back to raise it up another inch or so. So actually it will still be level, but a little bit taller. So that's the second truck style for you. All right, so the third and final truck style for you is going to be the 6-inch lift. This is really common in the truck community. People are either stock on the truck or they're going to go full-blown 6-inch lift. Anything over 6 inches is a little overkill in my opinion, unless it's for like it's a show truck or a SEMA truck. 8 inches, yeah, I mean, that's a pretty tall lift. I mean, the 6-inch lift is pretty standard when it comes to a full-blown lift kit. The good thing about the 6-inch and the 4-inch is they're the same price. So if you're wondering on, oh, can I get a little extra, a little taller, this will be more money, it's the same price. So don't worry about the price on that, just worry about what fits for you. Definitely with the 6-inch lift, you can fit 20 by 10s, they get 24s on those. With a 35-inch tire, you can also fit 20 by 12s or 22 by 12s, negative 44 offset with minor trimming, maybe just cut the crossbars in the front, do some trimming in the back. But that's definitely a truck style for most young people. I feel like the older crowd just likes a nice level to keep it simple, keep it clean. A lot of younger guys will do a 6-inch full lift. I think it looks tall, and they stance it out, maybe some wider tires on it. And that's definitely what I'm going to do for this truck in the future. I feel like the 6-inch lift is best for me. Although I do like the 2-inch level in the front, just a nice moderate look. So we do have the 2-inch level, which is the moderate truck style for you. Then we have the 4-inch lift, and then this one was the 6-inch lift. All right, so there you guys go. I did list some pictures in there so you can see how they looking, which one's best for you. But leave a comment down below what you guys would think would be best for your truck. I know a lot of you guys get back to me and say, hey, I do like the levels, I do like the 6-inch lift, or what are you going to do to your truck? And to be quite frank with you guys, I do think I'm going to do the 6-inch lift. It's not definite yet, I just maybe would put a level on it, but I think the 6-inch lift is going to be best for me, in my opinion. But I want to hear you guys' opinions. I get a lot of comments every day on your builds, which is super cool, so I'd love to hear back from you guys and hear what trucks and styles that you've been running and which one's best for you. So like I said, leave a comment and like down below. If you guys found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe so that YouTube will share this with other people and we can get that algorithm on our side and to help grow the channel. And like I said, if you're wondering what I've done to this truck, I have a link in the description of every mod I've done so far. And if you're wondering on how you can make a little extra money for car mods and truck mods, I do have some investing links for brokerages like M1 Finance, Robinhood, Webull, and Coinbase, which is like buying cryptocurrencies. So link in the description for that. And I do also have on the bottom of the description, way at the bottom, I do have my PayPal if you want to donate to the truck fund, or if you want to follow me on Instagram, links down in the description as well. Other than that, guys, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.